All right, guys, we're out here at Depoe Bay fishing off of the shore of Lincoln City. I got Caden with me, I got George with me, and I got Randy with a beautiful hat up on his head. And we have Hitch by Hitch, we have Chasing Dreams, and we got my buddy Clyde, and we also have, I don't know who that is, but Ed is on that boat. He does the sea bass, lingcod, halibut group out of Depoe Bay, out of Newport, I'm sorry, Facebook group. So anyway, we're out here lingcod fishing. I haven't gotten my line in the water yet, but I'm about to. I got it rigged up. This is what we're using. We got a herring. Oh, Randy just hooked up.
Yep.
Oh yeah,
Fish
Randy got one here.
in your face.
But I got a 12-ounce ball. These guys have 16s, but
I don't know if that's a fish. Nobody likes you, Terry.
I'm gonna hang this GoPro up and I'm gonna help him out here.
It's not a real fish. It's a jellyfish.
Before I even get my line in the water.
Oh. Yeah, that's still very good.
They don't fight just super hard until they get up here, and then they'll just peel drag, but it might be a rockfish.
I might have something, you can't tell.
You will tell if it's on there.
It's a monster.
Here he is. He's a keeper. Definitely a keeper.
Yeah, come on out on your coffee cup.
Oh shoot, I just smashed my herring. Right there. That's what we're after right there, guys. That's a good one. Beat it. One more. One more. There you go. Haven't even got my line in the water yet. That's what we're after right there, guys. That's a good one. George got one on. Don't bring it above the water, whatever you do. There he's right there. Hey, no, not above, not above. Let him go.
I'm gonna
let him
see.
Go, let him go. All right, reel.
You want the net?
Nah, tell me not.
All right, hold on right there. I don't want to get him mixed up in the gills. That was a small one, but I think he's still a keeper. I did not gaff him. I just got the.
Watch out for my head.
Yeah, watch that gaff. That thing's sharp. Man, these hooks don't let go. Hook that up a little better. You can go back down.
Okay. Alright.
Let me see this measure stick. Watch your feet. That's easily a keeper. I think we could do a little better than that, but I'll try to keep it anyway. Randy's on another one over here. Another good one.
Real good.
Yeah.
Leave some for me.
I'm tapping out after this. I got my limit.
No, you're not. You are not tapping out. Keep your rod tip up a bit.
Come on, here.
Coming up.
Oh yeah, there he is. Oh, that's a little guy. Hold still. Hold still. Don't hurt yourself.
It's not a real fish.
You broke the hook.
What?
It broke the.
You got the tail with
Broke the hook.
the lines on the tail.
No, but the hook itself broke.
No kidding.
Hey, I got it off finally.
Took long enough.
Step backwards, Caden. They get on this side of the boat so it comes up by the boat.
Okay.
Oh, these are just, yeah, they're doables, but we could do better.
Well, where's the good spot?
There he goes.
Oh, I had a whole bunch of nibbles.
You gotta fight that. Okay, stop.
Just gaff the thing. It's big enough. I think it's bit. I don't know. Throw that one back. Okay, we got a double. George has one back there, and Randy has one. Who's up first?
Probably me. I started reeling first.
Well, that doesn't mean anything usually.
I can pour that.
Here it is. Oh, you got a canary. Bring it in. That's a big canary. Yeah, we'll keep that. That's a good one. There you go. All right, fix that and go back down if you want. No, that might be a yellow eye. I gotta check that out better. You ready? Oh, he's right here. Can't even see him. Randy, why do you keep catching all these little guys?
I don't know.
Would you stop?
Him or the fish?
I think that's a yellow eye. We gotta send that one back.
Really?
Yep.
Right.
I thought it was a canary, but it's got black fin tips, so. Ouch. These hooks, I'm telling you, man, they are bad.
Well, that's a good thing, isn't it, though?
Look at my ego.
Hey. Hey. We got fish on. Go, Randy, go.
I got it all.
Wow.
You like that, don't you? I got a bonk to bleed this one yet. Did you hook that herring back up?
Yeah.
It's all good.
Fish on.
Oh, that's a good one too.
Yeah.
Man, I ain't even got time to fish.
Said you got one on.
You sure you don't have one on there?
I'm pretty sure. Oh,
At
I
the
got
bottom?
one.
I'm not. No, I don't think so.
You're just bouncing? George, slow it down. Keep going. He might just. It's right here. Another decent. Come up just. That's a good one. Oh, hold still. Careful, careful.
I didn't ask for a salt shower. Oh.
Slow it down. There you go. That's a big one. Nice. You got one. Hold it. Hey, I don't know if we might be done.
How many can we
I don't know
get?
if we can get 2 apiece.
How about my second?
Well, Randy pulled 4 in.
Well, I've
think.
got 3, but one we have to throw, I guess. But we don't have time for that.
Say that. Oh,
Canary.
you got a quill.
They're good or big?
Bad.
Rats.
Big.
Hey, oh, you don't have any.
Nah.
Quill back. Can't keep it.
Hey.
No, it's a diver down there. Just.
Oh, Randy is just hooking them up, man.
Yeah, he's hooked. I've got one, so you can keep that up.
Down. Get the gaff. Kaden only got one so far, but what do we got? 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5. We need 3 more. 2 more after this one.
As long as we can keep this one.
We'll see.
If you're not in
You
the,
sound really,
if you're not in this. Oh, that's a ling right there, son. That's a good one. That's a dragster.
That's not a real fish.
So when you bring those up, bring them up to just to the surface where I can gaff it good. Here it comes. Come on up.
Come on, fish.
That's a decent one. Well, he didn't like that.
No, not at all.
Not at all.
Great. Meet him mad.
It's not even that big of a fish. It's big enough. A little bit higher. See if I can get the hooks out before he goes mad. Oh, that sucker was hooked pretty good. There you go. Oh, stop it.
I think it looks long enough.
Yeah, it is. I'm gonna need a gaff over here shortly. I don't see it yet, but oh, here it comes. Cab is on. No, it didn't. It's on. Let's not gaff that one. We might give that one away. I don't know. This one might be too small, guys.
Yeah,
It's not too small, but it's not very big. We only got 2 more to get. It's a good one, huh?
Yeah, it's heavy. Hello?
Any fish?
No.
Nothing?
No, nothing.
You're being sarcastic.
Yep.
Barbie, he's with me. What do you expect?
I texted you, didn't text me back.
Well, because we're catching fish.
Did you catch a ling?
Yeah, that's what we're catching. Caden's on right now.
What?
Caden's on right now.
Wait, are you videoing it?
Well, duh.
No, we're just out here, you know.
I thought he was gonna go live.
No, I can't because I'm using my phone for GPS.
Oh.
Are you gonna get that in here
I
today?
don't know. Trying.
2 hours later.
Exactly. What you
Take a
can't
picture and send
do.
me.
You
I
have
will.
nothing.
Bye.
Bye-bye. It's not a real fish.
He has nothing.
All he has,
Here, hold that.
he has line.
I got.
You're on my line. That's what it is. I don't know if I have a fish or what, but we got to get this out of here. Here. There.
All right.
I don't think either one of us have one
Why'd your line so slack?
because he had it. We got to redo that before you go down.
All right.
There may be a fish on this one. I believe there is. Yeah, there is. There's a good one on here. That's what you were calling.
I see.
So there was fish on, but
Yeah.
Where's
wrong
the gaff?
pole.
I threw it over. Here, you just set that down.
Yeah.
And take these over.
Just don't let that rod flip over the side. Here it is right here. That's a decent one there. That's what you were fighting.
I see.
You want some of the bait? You want some bait? Yeah. Okay. As soon as this one comes in the boat, reel your lines in, guys. No. Absolutely not.
It's not a real fish. This thing's killing
Christ.
That rod is a little dippy.
Yeah.
Isn't it? There it comes. It's not a huge one, but we'll take it if it's over 22. Oh man, I barely got that one. That's over 22, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, you can reel in, guys.
I'm used to waiting.
All right, guys, we are done with lingcod and going for rockfish. Got these shrimp flies and one of those flutter jigs that I make. So probably won't show much of this because we got all the lingcod, but yeah, we're gonna try to get our 20 rockfish. Oh, came off.
In the boat.
Are we keeping it or not? Huh?
There ain't nothing to keep.
Nothing to keep. All right, we got a few of them in the bucket, not very many, but we're getting a few. What is it, Randy?
It's a fish.
Oh, it's another teeny tiny one. What is up with these dinks?
I don't know.
Phew, it is.
It's not a very big one though.
No, it's not very big.
We're
got a hit.
limited on lings already. Bring it above the water and let it splash off like they do. It's not a very, that's probably not even a keeper.
Nah.
Got doubles. Hey, that's maybe even a keeper there, Randy.
Yeah.
George just got a fish right there and lingcod. Nice lingcod underneath it, but we're limited out. Hey, swing that one up here.
Oh my. Get over here.
I'm gonna hold that right there.
Whoops, I just bird nested.
Hold still. Good enough. Go down.
I have to fix my bird nest.
All right, guys, we're gonna call it a day. We have 15 or 16 rockfish. Got some there. We got all of our lingcod and most of our rockfish. I think we're 4 short. I think we got 16. 4 short of our rockfish limit. We're gonna head in and call it a day. Thanks for coming along. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, share it out, leave me a comment. I will catch you on the next one.